This is my review of a Trayvax wallet. I bought a few years back, maybe 3 years or so, and I really love it. You put your cards in here, and I actually recently just replaced this strap, and it had instructions how to replace it. But basically, I installed the baller strap, which is bigger, so you put your cash in here, and this is the most versatile and functional wallet I've ever had. It's super durable and sturdy. Check out this ball opener, and it doesn't take much space in my pocket, so I really enjoy this wallet. It's also your IDs really to come out and your cards. You guys look it up, and I hope you enjoyed this video. This Trayvax wallet, made in USA.